So basically I will show you the setup we have. We have an HS3. Along here we have a SMG666. This one is AP, and it's having the communication cable all the way goes to the regular meter connection place right here. And you check the communication status. Running green, good. Communication good. Now we check the smart meter settings. Basically we have two smart meter. First one is grid meter. It got address of 1 and running green, communication green, and receiving normally. Now another PV meter. Because it's paired, we have the same box sending and receiving from the same box. So if both of them are connected, they would be green, communicating with each other. But now we only have one sending, and it's red because it's not communicating. As you can see, it's address 2 with PV meter. And now we can check the Bluetooth. So now in the meter settings, you check we have two smart meters. Now we go to device info, running info, and then you scroll down. Scroll down, you see you only have grid meter, which is correct. The only grid meter we're having communication. And now we're going to try to pair both the grid meter and PV meter to one receiving module. So I will show you how to. Alright, so now we're going to do the pairing. So important thing is we click on the reset here, and then the communication will blink in red. We have to finish the pairing within 1 minute. This one stays green, we don't have to touch it. And then here we come to the receiving module. The same here, we click on the reset once. Now it's blinking red, and then now it's blinking green. It means it's successfully paired. Now we go back. Now if we check, both the grid meter is blinking green. And then we check the PV meter is also blinking green. So now both is good. And then we check the values. Here it goes to device info. Scroll down. Now we have both meters. So basically one important information is if you want to pair two modules, so one receiving and one sending only, you have to press the sending to red and then press the receiving to red. Then both of them will pair. It will not pair to receiving. It will not pair to sending module. If you want to pair two sending module, you have to first pair one receiving with one sending module, and then you press on the reset on the other sending module. It will blink in red, and then you press on only the reset on the receiving module. Then both of them will connect. Then you get two sending and one receiving.